Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell crypto at crypto.com. Selling your cryptocurrency can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. First, you need to have a crypto.com account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the verification process. Once you have logged into your account, navigate to the Trade tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from the list of available options. Choose the fiat currency you want to receive and select the payment method. You can sell your crypto using the crypto.com app or website. Both platforms offer a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and execute trades. To initiate the sale, click on the Sell button and enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. You will see the current market price and the estimated amount of fiat currency you will receive. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you confirm the sale, the transaction will be processed and the funds will be transferred to your account. It is essential to note that selling crypto may incur fees. These fees vary depending on the type of cryptocurrency and the payment method. Make sure to check the fees before initiating the sale. Additionally, be aware of the market volatility. The price of crypto can fluctuate rapidly, so it is crucial to stay up to date with market trends. To get the best out of selling your crypto on crypto.com, make sure to use two-factor authentication to secure your account and always use a strong password. Keep your account information and transaction history private and be cautious of phishing scams. By following these steps and best practices, you can sell your crypto on crypto.com safely and efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you can contact crypto.com support team for help. Remember to always do your own research and stay informed about the crypto market before making any transactions.